levels, from fundamental research to mission capabilities and system integration, addressing short, medium, and long-term priorities, with a focus on EU-funded security research from 2014. The IMGS is composed of a broad set of technology areas, the TAs, bringing together experts in relevant domains to identify the priorities for R&D, and the Synthesis and Coordination Group, the SCG, that orients the work of the TAs, integrates the TA technology proposals, translating the technology viewpoints into mission priorities, and organizing this into a set of coherent recommendations to develop a holistic security research view. Conveys messages to the end users and stakeholders, such as the European Commission and other European Union or national bodies. Gather the messages coming from the stakeholders that may influence the position of the SCG and the IMGS work. 6 TAs are currently active, as you can see from the list in the right part of this slide. The 3 officers, the chairpersons and 2 vice chairpersons of each TA are members of the SCG. That has 6 additional members from other organizations. Presently, only ASD, the Association of European Industries in Defense and Aerospace, is represented in the SCG. As shown in this diagram, the IMGS integrates a vision of technologies from the European industry, including SMEs, RTOs, and academia, with a well-balanced mix, although industry, of course, has the biggest slice of this pie. National balance, as you can guess from this graphic, is still to be improved, with a large participation from few major countries, namely France and Italy, and lower participation from other countries. The main outcome of IMGS is represented by the Security Research Roadmap, the SRR, a document that is intended to provide concrete advice to the European Commission on what research to pursue to achieve the challenges stated in the vision of European security, such as those provided by ESRIF or ERSAB, and eventually becoming the preferred channel for communicating messages from the European security community to the European Commission framework programs. The IMGS does not intend to replace the results of other forums such as ESRAB or ESRIF, nor to overlap with them. For this reason, IMGS work is based on the vision provided by these sources. The content of the SRR includes an overview, the definition of the context, a vision presently derived from ESRIF results, the identification of the main challenges, that is, the key goals and issues to be addressed, a list of security research needs or suggestions for security research. For each mission area, a set of themes have been identified and described in the SRR, and a roadmap is proposed for achieving the required results. All the roadmaps developed for the various themes are then summarized in a single diagram, as shown in the following slide. For each theme, the graphic, yes, the colors are clearly visible, shows the planned execution of capability projects, the red part of the bars, integration project, the yellow part, and finally demonstration project, the green part. The link and dependencies between different teams are also shown in this diagram. This, of course, is only a draft of the diagram we are producing. The SRR is produced by IMGS based on thematic detailed input coming from various technology areas. The first draft version, version 0.1, will be delivered in April next month.